All right, so this is day 2. We actually have the credit card reader installed. Can we take a look?
The e-port.
There you go. Got a couple more things to do to finalize this.
Right.
Vending machine number 2. And the goal is to also, can I turn this light a little bit?
Yeah.
To get this baby right here. It's gonna have surgery next. I call it surgery. So right now, the machine looks like this. Basically bare. This right here is the old control board, and that's what the problem is. Taking that out so that I can put in a credit card reader and also get more updated mechanisms for the coins. And I took out the bill validator, but here's one portion of it right here. So all of this is going to be updated in the very near future, and I'll have 2 credit card ready vending machines. Okay. And this baby over here is already credit card ready. However, I have some other issues going on with it, but they're minor. And this one will be going out in the very near future to a hair salon. Put a little more light on it. I spray painted it blue. That was part of one of my very first videos. And gonna put a beautiful logo on there. Oops, snacks to go. So in the near future, I'll have another video for that.